What am I doing? That's right. That is what I'm doing. Ha 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 ha.
It's 4th of July, and we are happy that you're here with us. Happy that you have the luxury of joining me in Hamfreeze. Hello. Every once in a while, I decide to celebrate a solemn day, a solemn hour in my life. 4 days. Every time this time of year, there are 4 more days until my birthday happens, and today is one of those days. Welcome to 4th of July! Look at this bird. Give him a kiss. Hello, Peely. Give the bird a kiss. Give the bird one more kiss, and then let's get into it. That was 3 kisses, I know, but I can't help myself. Sometimes you just gotta do what comes naturally. And for me, kissing bird, it's like sucking air, man. I was born to do it. Hi, Peely. Why'd you pop on screen like that? I didn't tell you to do that. Where is Bird 2? Electric Boogaloo. Electric Bird 2 is on my electric lap because that's where she prefers to be most days. On lap. She likes to live on my lap. Let me see if I can't casually put the camera down there so that you can see her. It's in infrared mode, but look, there she is. She just likes to chill under the desk. That's just where she likes to live. Just hangs out under there. Should I give it a kiss? Yeah, you're probably right. Little kiss for the bird downstairs. Just a few couple kisses for the bird downstairs. When they shake their head like that, that means they don't like the noises. So that does mean that she hates the sound of my voice, which is fine, but a little sad. Makes me a little sad that she hates the sound of my voice. Anyways, debug log, platform user, Twitch. Yeah. If the chatter doesn't exist, try and get value. If it doesn't exist, then add a vote to that chatter. Ooh, bird climbing on my shoulder. There he is. Ooh, she's got hot feet. You know what that means. My old roommate invited me out. I said, I want to, but I don't want to go to Cabbage Town tonight. Plus, I already had a big night out. I don't know. Hi, birds. What are you doing? You can just watch the birds while I work on this. I see chicken, I vote chicken. I'm a simple man. Any, like, Asian noodles, you don't really think of it as pasta, but that's what it is, right? What's the difference between pasta and noodles? Noodle is a shape. Pasta is a state of mind. Caveman throwing some channel points down on the murder bird. 2 birds, 1 tie? Yeah, man. They got hot feet. What am I supposed to do? Not let them sit on my head? Oops. No birds here. There they are. I've driven myself into poverty trying to see a chicken win an arbitrary competition. Did Benson see She's So Funny shrub identification shred? I love when Tina gets drunk and tries to type stuff. I really shouldn't let the bird sit on my head. It's bad bird manners. But I can't help myself. Like, it's fine if they sit on shoulder.
Least voter. Worst chatter.
Dodo, why are you being difficult? How was the pool party? Did you go? Yes, the pool party was nice. Exclamation mark. I ate too much and took a small nap. Everyone made light fun of me. Peely, what do you want? What do you want, Peely? You can't just walk down my arm and expect me to... These birds are incorrigible. They just want to sit and munch. All right. All right. It's not getting any chats because I already have it that look, debug log platform user message. Dodo, you're being a criminal and I'm going to send you to jail. These birds are criminals. The bird is trying to get onto the floor. Why do you think she's trying to do that? To bite your toes? Floor has snacks. This bird does love feet. She's a little foot freak, so I'm kind of... That actually does add up. Hey! She's biting my desk pad! I wasn't paying attention. I would have to... Stop, Peely. She's a criminal bird. She wants pets. No, she wants to be left alone. She wants to cause trouble. I don't know what she wants. I'm so rehearsal Brett Harass, but I don't know if you want to come over and watch it on the TV. I don't understand sometimes the things that Fool's Toe says and does. It's like rain on your wedding day. And who am I? These birds gotta go to bed soon, I've decided. Because they're being tyrants. Woo! So you just press B, B, and then slam on the A button. B twice, then slam A. B, B, A. And then we're in the clear. It's easy. Juice the crank. B, A, B, A, B. No problemo. This one's all about consistency and laminar flow. Laminar flow, is that what it's called? I was so close on that. That was almost like first try. Laminar flow. I'm not even looking at the circle ahead of me. I'm looking at the circle I'm in. You look at the circle you're in. Not where you're going, where you are. Oh. Get the birds out of my face. Look at the birds one more time, just because they're cute. Hello, Peely. Hi. Now get them out of my face. When they start trying to drink your wine, that means that they want water. Inventory hero. Only Ty would get excited about an inventory management game. I got a broom now. I got a new stick. I'm invincible. Heal up. The bird's very mad. I don't know why the bird's mad. Pillow? Rabbit. Get these rabbits out of here. No, the rabbits! Oh, Ty learned a lesson about rabbits. Oh my god, it's a turkey boss. I don't think I ever have to play it again, but that was fun. Spellcorked. Okay, one of them is ground up. I ground up exactly one bean. Oh, there we go. I got a couple more now.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for the bird drama. And goodbye.